Hello students, let us continue exercise 5 from chapter 8. Question 3. Find the quotient in each of the following. A. 20.4 divided by 6. Students, in this sum we will use long division method. Okay, so write down 20.4 divided by 6. 20 is here, so 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Point comes, put point in the quotient. 4, take down, 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. So what will be the answer? 3.4. Next B, 792.72 divided by 16. 792.72 divided by 16. So students, take two digits together because 7 is not possible in the table of 16, right? It is small number than 16. 79 is also not possible in the table of 16, but less than 79 is possible. That is why taken here 16 4s are 64. 9 minus 4 5. 7 minus 6 1. Take 2 down. 152. 152 is not possible in the table of 16. So less than 152. What is it? 16 9s are 144. Now 2 minus 4 is not possible. Take 10 borrow. 12 will be here. 12 minus 4 8. Cut 5 4. 4 minus 4 0 will be here. Okay. 1 minus 1 0. Now the whole part is completed. Point comes, write down point in the quotient. Take 7 down. 87 is here. 16 5s are 80. 87 minus 80 7. Take 2 down. 72. 16 4s are 64. 12 minus 4 8. 7 minus cut 7, here will be 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now 8 is here. Students, according to the notes, we can take zeros, okay, at on till we do not get the remainder 0. So here remainder is 8. So take 0, right? So it will be 80. Now 16 5s are 80. 80 minus 80, 0. See, we got the remainder 0. So, what will be the answer? 49.545. I hope you understood it. Next, D. 29.24 divided by 43. 29.24 divided by 43. Now students, we do not know the table of 42, 43, suppose, okay. So, make the table at on. 43 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8. By using this method, you can make your own table easily. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? 4 3s are 12, 12s to 1 carry. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Okay students, so in this way you can make the table according to the necessary, okay. Now look at here, here is 43 and here is 29. 29 is less than 43, right? So we will take 3 digits together. 292 we will take, okay. Now check. Is 292 is possible in the table of 43? Let us check here. Look at here. 43 5s are 215. 43 6 are 258. 43 7s are 301. No. 292 is not possible, right? So less than 292. 43 6 are 258, right? So students, here is point because we are taking 3 digits together, but points comes, so put point in the quotient. Afterwards, write down 43 6 are 258. Remember this point, okay? If we are taking 3 digits together and point comes between that, you should put the point in the quotient. Now 43 6 are 258. 2 minus 8 is not possible. So here borrow 10. 12 minus 8 4. 8 minus 5 3. 2 minus 2 0. Now students, take 4 down. So here will be 344, right? Now check, 344 is possible in the table of 43. 43 sevens are 301, 43 eights are 344. Yes, it is possible. So 43 eights are 344. The remainder is 0. In this way you have to solve the sums by making table. Okay? E, you have to do in homework. Students, we will do E. It is not in homework. Look at here. 243.18 divided by 6.3. Now students, look at here. Here is decimal by decimal. Which type of division? Decimal by decimal. So first of all write down 243.18 upon 6.3. What is the first step? First of all, make the denominator without point. And how is it possible? 6.3, it has one decimal place, right? So 6.3, take multiply 10. Then 6.3 is in decimal. After multiply by 10, it will convert it in whole number. That is why we are multiplying 10. 6.3 multiply 10, the answer will be 63. Now the denominator is in whole number. 243.18 multiply 10. So point will be moved here to here. 2431.8. In denominator we have taken 10. So in numerator also you have to multiply by 10. Clear everyone? Now 2431.8 divided by 63. Now here is 24. So 24 is less than 63. That is why we have to take 3 digits together, right? So take 243. First of all, make the table of 63. It is so easy. First of all, write down in this manner. 63 multiply 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Next, 63 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. Whenever we are making table in this way, start to write from the right to left side. Okay, answer. Next, 63 multiply 4. 4 3s are 12. 12s to 1 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Okay. Now students, less than 243 is 189. So take 63 3s are 189. Now students, 3 minus 9 is not possible. So take 10, borrow, right? Now 13 is here. 13 minus 9, 4. Cut 4, less than 4 is 3. 3 minus 8, also not possible. So again take 10, borrow. 13 minus 8, 5. Cut 2, less than 2 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now students, take 1 down. Here will be 541. So in the table of 63, less than 541 is 504, right? So 63 8s are 504. 541 minus 504, the answer will be 37. Now point comes, put point in the quotient, take 8 down. 378. Is it possible in the table of 63? Yes. 63 6 are 378. 63 6 are 378. The remainder is 0. So the answer is 38.6. Next, 72.696 divided by 3.12. 72.696 divided by 3.12. Students, first of all, convert the denominator with decimal into whole number, right? So 3.12, here 2 decimal places are there. So we will multiply 100, okay? 3.12 multiply 100, 312. So point will be moved here to here. 2 places moved. So 312 is completed. Now 72.696 multiply 100, 7269.6 will be answer. Now do division. 7269.6 divided by 312. Take 3 digits together. Now 726. First of all, make the table of 312. It is 2s are 624. 312 multiply 3, 936. 312 multiply 4, 1248. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. And 4 3s are 12. So arrange the number properly. Okay. Now here is 726. Less than it is 624. Right. So 312. 2s are 624. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. Take 9 down. Now students, in the table of 312, less than or equal, 1029 is there. Not equal, but less than 1029 is 936. So 312, 3s are 936. So the answer will be 93. Now point comes, put point in the quotient, take 6 down. 936. So 312 3s are 936. 936 minus 936, 0. So the answer is 23.3. Okay. G. 0.0108 divided by 0.09. 0.108 divided by 0.09. 2 decimal places are there, so multiply by 100. So 0.09 will be 9 only. 0.108 multiply 100, 10.8. 10.8 divided by 9. Here is 10, right? 9 1s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Point comes, put point in the quotient. Take it down, 18. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So the answer is 1.2. Now students, H and I you have to do in your homework. Students, I sum is different, okay? So we will do here. I 0.0102 divided by 17. 0.0102 divided by 17. So students, first of all, ignore the point. Okay. So write down here only 102. No need to write down the 0 only. Okay. 102 divided by 17. 17 6 are 102. So 102 minus 102, 0. Now write down first 6 only here because it is the answer. Now count how many decimal places are there in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places are there. So put the point after 4 digit in the answer. Only 1 is given to you. So take 3 zeros at on. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. So the answer is 0.0006. In this way you have to solve the sum. Okay. First ignore the point and do division. Then put in the answer only point. Okay. Question 4 to question 9 are cancelled. Note that. Okay. Thanks.